Cardano is one of the standout cryptocurrencies that's been absolutely battered by the bear. It hit lows of 20 cents. It's now at 63 cents, but is it too late to buy? You can see Cardano currently trapped in between a support and resistance level. So first and foremost, what I want you to do is build in your support and resistance levels. You've got the lows here sitting at 22 cents. You've got the next previous resistance, which is now flipped for support at 40 cents. And we're hitting a resistance barrier at 65 cents. So couple of things that can happen here, guys. We're going to analyze this together. We're going to look for correlations through different markets, and then we're going to gauge as to whether we think that Cardano is a good buy. What needs to happen for Cardano to be a good buy? We're creating a couple here of bull flags. Bull flag, bull flag. Last time we broke out to the upside, broke through the resistance level, 65 cents. So that's what we're looking for, and that's what we need to break. So that's what we're monitoring going forward. So two things can happen here. We're either going to break through this resistance, this is going to flip the support, and we can look for higher targets, or this is going to come back down, test the support line, and then retest the previous resistance to try and flip through there. If we're wrong, what happens, guys? We tell you time and time and time again. What is this? A momentum line. What happens when you break the momentum line? Momentum's change. So if we drop past here, that acts as resistance, then we're looking at lower levels. If you're looking for lower levels, you can accumulate at cheaper prices. So as far as Cardano is concerned, if we do break to the upside, what price targets have we got? We can stick a simple Fibonacci tool on there. Has Cardano hit its 382 retracement? We looked at the total 3 before. Total 3 is working up to its 382 retracement. Has Cardano moved there, or is it lagging still? So we stick the 382 from the top, its previous bull market high, to its bear market low. And you can see this is the key resistance level of 382. This is what we're looking for on this bounce within this bull market, is the 382 retracement. What's hit? How much does it need to get there? So that's the first thing that we're looking at. If we just look at the total 3, you can see the total 3 is a little bit ahead of the Cardano price. It's already broke through this resistance band. So the total 3 is actually front running Cardano at the moment. So that means that Cardano is lagging. It's got time to move. So we can monitor the resistance points. We can gauge sentiment within the rest of the markets, and we can reanalyze as to what we think is going to happen on Cardano. Another thing we can look at is the Bitcoin dominance. This is exactly what we wanted to see on the Bitcoin dominance. This break to the downside. It's currently testing the previous support of this low. What we want is come back up, retest, and move back to the downside. What that's happening, or what is happening when that happens, is people are selling their Bitcoin. They're selling their Bitcoin off, and they're going into higher risk assets. One of those higher risk assets could be Cardano. So that's what we want on the Bitcoin dominance. We want to come back, retest, confirmation that it's moving to the downside, and confirmation that money flow is moving into altcoins. So as far as the USDT dominance is concerned, remember, this is the dominance in the crypto market. This is the low. This is the low. Once we've broken this low to the downside and confirmed that as resistance, what does that mean, guys? Alt season. People are selling their USDT going into altcoins. So you've got a double domino effect. People are selling their Bitcoin going into altcoins. People are selling their USDT going into altcoins, and that creates an altcoin surge. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. If you want to see my last video on Cardano, when Cardano was at around 20 cents, check out this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.